Section 5.3, account statements. Our objective for today is to compute the new balance of a savings account statement. When you look at the statements on page 219, they should resemble a checking account slightly, yet there's less information on there because you can't spend savings money anywhere necessarily. So it has your information at the top, what dates it goes through. Notice the beginning date is April 1st. The ending date is July 1st, which is a 3-month period of time. It tells you the amount of interest earned during the period as well as your account number. At the bottom, you'll see a running total balance on the right. Basically, you have to consider what gets added in and what gets subtracted out. So the first column, withdrawals, are subtracted. Deposits are added. And interest is added on as well. If you can keep track of those three things, you should be able to do a running total balance if they need you to find one, and to also check the status of the account. The account statement shows the status of your account, includes deposits, withdrawals, and interest earned. The bank may send out monthly statements, but most of the time savings accounts are quarterly. You could also sign up for your statements to show up online as well. Example 1, Lauren receives her savings account statement quarterly. After checking to be sure all transactions have been recorded correctly, she checks the calculation. What is the balance in her account on July 1st? See page 219. So basically, we're going to start with the balance $274.50. On the 15th, money is deposited, so we're going to add $250 in there. So $274.50 plus $250 is $524.50. We're going to keep that number in our calculator. On the 11th, we're going to add $125 in there. Again, there's another deposit. So our new balance is $649.50, which looks okay so far. Then I'm going to take this balance, $649.50. We withdrew $100, or she did, for $549.50. Again, keep that balance on your calculator. Then we have a little interest in there, which is added in for $553.61. And then again, there's one more deposit of $80. We'll add that in as well. So her final balance should be $633.61, which looks like it balances. Example 2, Allison reviewed her account statement and wanted to verify that the interest amount was correct. Her new balance was $17,015.97. Her previous balance was $14,761.93. We're going to add the deposits in, $2386.20, and we're going to subtract the withdrawal out. And the interest should be added in, so we'll go adding the interest. So on the right side, let's take our balance. We're going to add our deposits in there. We're going to subtract our withdrawal. Which is $16,948.13, and we still need to add our interest in. So if we subtract the numbers, we get $67.84. And that's the interest that you would find there. So as long as you take your previous balance, you add in your deposits, you add in the interest, you subtract the withdrawals, your new balance should match that.